Hey, my name is Joe. I'm here with G&W Machinery at FABTECH 2025, representing Valgro Heiser's line of finishing and deburring equipment. I invite you guys to come down to the show. You'll get to see some of the machinery in person. I'm standing in front of the Valgro Heiser EZ24. This machine is perfect for deburring anything that's coming off of a laser or a water jet. I invite you to come around the side, take a peek inside, and you can see some of the belt that is going to remove the burrs. Great machine for that purpose. Coming right down the line, we've got a brand new machine from Valgro. It's the ATM series, and this is perfect for any shop that's got parts that they just want to quickly hit with different kind of media to remove the burrs and provide a nice finish. Nice thing about this machine that everybody likes, it's got a couple of quick change heads. Change it based on what you're trying to accomplish. Full range of head motion even comes off the table. It's kind of nice. Vacuum table, and this lip even retracts if you have larger pieces that you have to do. Moving on along. Got this nice VBS series. This is great if you've got, say, bus bars or any small pieces of material you have to run through. It's equipped right now with a couple of different sanding rolls. However, this can be changed out to different kind of media, like even brushes, so you can put a nice finish on it. Very popular. Moving down the line here. Everybody's got tubes. Everybody's got tube issues and problems that they need to remove mill scale off of. This is a perfect machine for that. It's got a nice automatic feed. Tube goes right through the medium, sands it, rinse, wash, and repeat. Pretty simple. Simple machine, very affordable, and that's why they sell so well. Moving down here. This is going to be one of your heavier duty type machines. It's called the SLR24-4. The reason why, it's got 4 different stations within it. It's designed to remove heavy slag, heavy dross off of any kind of metal. Feeds on this belt, comes out the other end, but let's show you the machinery that's doing all the hard work. Here are the 4 stations that I was talking about. First station, these are all quick change interchangeable heads, but you've got this hammerhead attachment. And this is what does all the heavy lifting, knocks all the heavy dross off. Follows into a sanding belt area, so you can have more aggressive sandpaper here, less aggressive on this end. And then this is one of those quick change heads. I like this one because this particular head's gonna do some very mild edge rounding on the IDs and ODs. So when the part comes out, it's ready for shipment or paint or whatever you need. So yeah, that's it. So come on down to FABTECH 2025, meet the team, meet the company. See you there.